Greene offers you a technology that's unique in the world to transform waste into energy and high added value products. Reducing the waste we produce is vital for our planet, and that is why we defend a circular economy that allows it to be valued in a sustainable way. Our gasification process stands out for its versatility, since it gives value to a wide range of organic waste, such as sewage sludge, urban solid waste, industrial waste, plastics, and biomass considered to be waste. Through this process, we obtain a syngas that we can transform into new products with high added value: biofuels, renewable gas, methanol, electrical and thermal energy. All this guarantees excellent profitability whilst taking care of the environment. The Greene technology of thermal conversion via gasification is based on a patented, proprietary design process unique in the world. Gasification is carried out in different sub-processes, each of which is performed in a specially designed reactor. It is capable of gasifying different types of waste with a high yield without the need for expensive pre-treatments. The residue enters our rotary pyrolysis reactor, where volatile substances are extracted by heat in the absence of oxygen. The resulting carbonaceous residue, also called char, enters the gasification reactor, where the carbon it is composed of is converted to carbon monoxide and hydrogen using air and steam. The volatile substances are then sent to the cracking chamber, where one part is burned and the other is converted, according to temperature, into simple gases such as methane, carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The gaseous currents that are generated in the gasifier and the cracking chamber join together to form the syngas. Finally, the conditioning for its different uses is carried out, avoiding pollution emissions. Our plants are fully automated with a multimedia control and display system that shows us how they work in real time. Greene's exclusive and patented technology makes it easy to process large amounts of different waste with real control over the entire process. Through gasification, we eliminate more than 90% of the organic matter that forms part of the waste to convert it into inert ash that is easy to manage, usable, for example, in the agricultural sector as a fertilizer or, in some cases, as an additive in the production of asphalt and concrete. The emission of gases into the atmosphere is also reduced. For example, the methane gas generated in landfills, which has a high environmental impact as a greenhouse gas, is completely avoided. The generation of dioxins and furans, the highly carcinogenic compounds that are formed by incinerating waste, simply doesn't occur because gasification works in reducing conditions instead of oxidant ones. To summarize, by using our technology, both the polluting emissions produced with other technologies as well as the accumulation of waste that are associated with pollution problems and unhealthiness are drastically reduced. For these reasons, Greene gasification is an environmentally friendly process. During the spring of 2019, Altran carried out technical due diligence on our technology, which was divided into 3 parts and centered upon our demonstration plant: documentary verification of the engineering project, a HAZOP study, and operational tests at the plant. In the documentary phase, the engineering project of said plant was evaluated in its entirety at a documentary level, where the professional capacity of the engineering team to carry out industrial projects of this size was measured with a satisfactory outcome. The HAZOP study consists of carrying out a detailed examination of the process and engineering in new or existing facilities to assess both the potential risks of the operation not foreseen in the design, such as equipment malfunctioning, and the consequence of its effects on a facility and the environment. An expert audit team, together with specialists in each main area involved, process, design, engineering and programming, developed a detailed study to ensure that potential deviations in design functionality could be identified and corrected. The plant operation phase was carried out over 3 days of continuous work, during which the capacity of the plant to work different residues with satisfactory yields and without mechanical or operational problems was verified. The audit's conclusion after this phase was that the tests carried out verified the functionality of the plant for different raw materials with chemical yields higher than those initially required for them. This guarantees that Greene's gasification technology is ready for successful industrial implementation. Greene is involved with the management of all its facilities, offering a full range of services to guarantee the start-up and operating profitability of the plants. We advise our clients and provide them with an experienced maintenance service. The professionalism of our team, together with the use of the best materials and components in our plants, mean that we offer high standards of quality and reliability. In short, Greene opens the door to a more sustainable future, giving value to organic waste to obtain energy, as well as new raw materials with a new life cycle. Greene, waste to energy.